George Brown College is what we call the city college, and we kind of have campuses spread throughout the city. One of the most high-profile ones would be CHCA, which is our Culinary Arts and Hospitality program. We've had the privilege of having great culinary and hospitality leaders position George Brown College within the industry across Canada and internationally.
Teaching is about sharing knowledge, sharing experience. It's also the building of community. I have seen TRU everywhere I work. They are reliable, it keeps the temperature. They are industry grade in the way that you can work with them a lot without breaking down.
Right now, I would say we're probably somewhere in the neighborhood of about 65 to 70 pieces of TRU. TRU has an outstanding reputation. They're North American made, so when the inevitable challenges do happen, parts are accessible. They are industry leaders in the product that they provide. TRU is really a no-brainer for us. We are modernizing what we do here at George Brown College, and TRU's a big part of that. So as we continue to evolve, we're happy to be partnered with TRU in that evolution.